Secure Wallet by CoolBitX app. The pros, the cons. The Secure Wallet by CoolBitX is one of those crypto tools that looks simple, but hides some seriously advanced tech underneath. Most people think it's just another cold wallet, but here's why it stands out and what you should know before using it. Let's start with the pros. The Secure Wallet is designed by CoolBitX, the same company behind the popular Cool Wallet series. It's a hardware wallet the size of a credit card, making it discreet, portable, and easy to carry anywhere. It connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, so you can securely manage your crypto assets without being tied to a computer. One of its biggest strengths is security. Your private keys are stored in an encrypted chip inside the wallet, never exposed to the internet. Even if your phone gets hacked, your crypto remains safe because all signing happens on the device itself. It also supports multiple major cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and various ERC20 tokens. A companion mobile app provides an intuitive interface to send, receive, and even trade assets directly without ever compromising security. Now for the cons. While Bluetooth connectivity is convenient, it can also be viewed as a potential security concern by purists who prefer completely offline ergot wallets. Though CoolBitX uses advanced encryption, some users still prefer physical cable connections for peace of mind. Another limitation is token support. While it handles major assets well, it doesn't support every Ucoin or chain as quickly as some competitors. If you're heavily involved in niche altcoins, that could be frustrating. And finally, the price. Compared to basic software wallets, it's more expensive. But that's the trade-off for strong, hardware-level protection. In summary, the Secure Wallet by CoolBitX is a stylish, mobile-friendly cool wallet built for real-world use. It bridges the gap between convenience and security, perfect for those who want hardware-level safety without the bulky design of traditional devices. Just remember, your crypto security always starts with your own habits.